Hi, my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear wall paneling on your non JBL 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma. Lower the jack a few turns to loosen the tension and then slide it out. Press the clip and loosen the strap to remove the tire iron. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts holding the storage panel in position. Using a panel removal tool or your fingers, pop the corner of the upper trim panel loose. Slide your fingers under the seatbelt cover and pull outward. Now remove the upper trim panel. Next, slide your fingers under the lower trim panel and pull up and outward. Once loose, release the passenger side corner and remove the lower trim panel from your Taco. To remove the black fabric attached to the rear wall, use a panel removal tool to remove the 7-panel Christmas tree clips. Temporarily remove the center seatbelt bracket using a 14mm socket. Remove the rear wall fabric. Reinstall and tighten the center seatbelt bracket. Make sure to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all the social medias, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio installation upgrade on your 2024 and up Tacoma, whether you have JBL, non-JBL, hybrid, or non-hybrid.